This movie shows how to create background maps in GPS Speedreader. We'll start by exporting a GPS track to Google Earth. Zoom out a bit so we can see the entire tracks. Then, use the sidebar to hide the tracks. Save the image from Google Earth. We do not need a title or legend, but we want to see the scale. Also, make sure that north is straight up.
It is a good idea to create a folder for all your maps. The images need to remain in this folder so that GPS Speedreader can find them in the future.
Switch back to GPS Speedreader. Go to the View menu and select Create Map from JPEG. Speedreader will show a dialog with instructions, and then an open dialog. Select the file we just exported. Press the Alt key and drag to measure distances. Use the mouse wheel or the slider on the top left to zoom. After clicking on the slider, you can also use the right and left arrow keys to zoom. For fine-tuning, you can change the size of the window, or of the tracks panel, then measure the width of the scale again by pressing the Alt key while dragging. After adjusting the scale, we need to move the tracks. Start by switching back to Google Earth to see where the tracks should be. Switch back to Speedreader and drag the tracks to the same position as in Google Earth. One more switch to Google Earth to check the position, then switch to Speedreader, select the View menu, and click on Save Map. After a map has been defined, Speedreader can automatically load the map in the future. When you open a file, Speedreader will look for a map for this region. A defined background map will zoom and move when you zoom or move the track. Now, when you select something, for example a top speed in the results table, you can see where on the map it happened. That's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.